In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out Outlook. We'll walk through the process on 3 platforms: Classic Outlook on your desktop, the new Outlook app, and Outlook on the web. I'll keep it clear and simple so you can follow along whether you're on a work PC or a shared computer. Let's start with Classic Outlook. Open Outlook on your computer. At the top left, click File, then choose Account Settings, and select Account Settings again from the drop-down. In the Email tab, you'll see the list of accounts configured in Outlook. Click the account you want to sign out of and select Remove. When Outlook asks you to confirm, choose Yes. This removes the account from that copy of Outlook, which effectively signs you out on that device. Don't worry, this doesn't delete your email from the server. Your messages remain in your mailbox online, and you can add the account back later. If this is a shared computer, this step is the safest way to prevent others from seeing your email. Now, for the new Outlook app. Click the gear icon in the top right to open Settings. Choose Account. If the app prompts you to close and restart Outlook to continue, go ahead and do that. After Outlook reopens, return to the account area, select Manage for the mailbox you want to remove, and choose Remove. That action signs you out of the account within the new Outlook app. As with Classic Outlook, removing the account only affects this app on this device. Your emails and calendar stay in your online account and can be re-added when needed. Finally, let's log out in a web browser using Outlook.com or Microsoft 365. Go to Outlook.com and sign in if you're not already. In the top right corner, click your profile picture or initials, then select Sign Out from the menu. After signing out, close the browser tab. For extra security, especially on shared or public computers, clear your browser's cache and site data. You'll find that option in your browser's settings, typically under Privacy or History. This helps ensure your session details aren't left behind. That's it for today. If this helped, feel free to revisit any section while you follow along, and make sure you know your account password before removing an account so you can sign back in later. Thanks for watching.